Hello, in this video we will review the methods of controlling the speed of the DC motor, and we will also show how to use the silicon-controlled rectifier, S.C.R, to control the speed of the motor and the electronic components needed to build the triggering circuit.
DC motor speed is controlled either by varying field current or by varying the armature voltage, though the speed control by field current is easier and cheaper. However, it has limits on speed control range. Also, it affects motor torque. Therefore, we will use silicon-controlled rectifier to control the applied armature voltage. The silicon-controlled rectifier, or S.C.R, is a solid-state current-controlling device. It conducts current only in one direction. The S.C.R can be triggered by applying a train of pulses on its gate terminal when it is in forward state. The triggering pulse angle alpha should be controlled from 0 to 180 electrical degrees. If alpha is 0, then the S.C.R behaves as a diode. The output will be the positive half cycles. Increasing alpha reduces the output gradually. If alpha is 180 degrees, gives 0 output, and S.C.R stops conducting.
In order to build the triggering circuit of S.C.R, we need the following items:
an oscilloscope, breadboards, operational amplifier 741, a center tapped transformer, DC supply, variable resistors, capacitors, pulse transformers, and diodes.